Uline heavy-duty wire carts are great for use in retail, warehouse, and food service operations. Uline heavy-duty wire carts have a 1,000-pound capacity with shelves that adjust in 1-inch increments to store and transport heavy loads. 5-inch polyurethane lockable swivel casters roll smoothly over surfaces and lock to keep the cart securely in place. Available in a wide range of sizes and styles, these versatile carts can be used to move heavy materials or serve as a work surface. Uline heavy-duty wire carts are also NSF certified, making them safe for dry food storage. Ergonomic handles at both ends of the cart extend out, creating spacious legroom for users to comfortably push or pull the cart. Heavy-duty wire carts are customizable with optional wire shelving accessories, including shelf dividers and ledges, label holders, and shelf liners to keep small contents from falling through. Whatever your wire cart needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.